You work in a winery, tracking distributor pricing on spreadsheets. Your rep has one version, finance another. It's probably out of date. And you've got one-off deals in emails and on bar napkins. And you've just received a distributor's 74-page chargeback invoice, with several of the chargebacks not in your records. With so much money at stake, missing a deal or paying one that should have been discontinued hits hard on your bottom line. What if you had a solution that provides clarity, visibility, and transparency across all your trade efforts? Introducing Tradeparency. Tradeparency is a business impact innovation. It's trade pricing, promotion, and planning software designed for the winery 3-tier system, with only the functionality needed for the wine industry. There's nothing more to keep up with because of requirements of another industry built in. Instead of spreadsheets, emails, and bar napkins, Tradeparency organizes everything in one place and keeps it where it belongs, at your fingertips. It's web-based, database-driven, designed by wine industry veterans. Use as a single system for pricing and planning, or tap into its robust capabilities to integrate with your accounting system and avoid double entry. Work with depletion reports and create real-time dashboards to track actual promotional spending per case. Tradeparency aligns with your company's strategy to ensure consistent pricing across states, brands, and territories by product. Get checks and balances via pricing approvals instead of after the fact when you're facing invoices. See deals at a granular spending level to know what's really going on. Hey, how much are we spending on by the glass? Analyze how profitable and effective your sales team is in real time, and adjust your deals now when you see trouble, rather than during the next pricing cycle when you've spent too much. Say you've got a sales manager working in the field. With the intelligence of Tradeparency, she can access all of her customers' pricing on any device, or see how much a distributor has spent on expenses like samples or printing wine lists. At the click of a button, she knows exactly whether she's within spending guidelines. Regardless of what deal you're working on, Tradeparency gives you the tools to view claims with all the information in one place and at a great level of detail. It's everything you need to manage and optimize your distributor pricing and get to profitability. Want to bring greater control and transparency to your pricing? Break your Excel habit with the power of Tradeparency. Call Nicole at Tradeparency to see a demo and learn more.